Welcome to the campsite. Let's go and have a look inside this luxury container home. Welcome. It has a smart system inside with a key card, with all the buttons ready to light up. Inside is a fully fitted bathroom with smart toilet and a shower, hairdryer, mirror, everything. Let's go inside here. Some cupboard space here, a living area. Nice and comfortable. Enough room here with the glass panels to enjoy the view. Let's go through to the bedroom. So the bedroom is enough size for a double bed. And if you notice, it has a projector unit here. The screen comes down and you can watch TV or put the screen up and look at the beautiful view. It even has a roof where you can see and look at the sky while you're sleeping. There's enough room here to enjoy your time as well as sleep and a balcony space. Everything is fully fitted with air conditioning, speakers, projector unit, everything you need. You can purchase these as the box container, but you can also have the roof attachment. They're here on the trailer and ready to be delivered to anywhere in the world, maybe to you. These range from 80 meters to 40-foot containers, depending on the size, and it ranges in price between $10,000 US to $20,000, depending on the size and the spec. We're in the beautiful mountains of Uguaysan, and if you have a beautiful location like this mobile home is the perfect thing for you.